Most people think retiring early requires some secret strategy, a special talent, a huge income, or maybe a lucky break. And I believed that too once upon a time, but then I accidentally discovered something embarrassingly simple. The people around me were using money for one purpose. I was slowly learning to use it for a completely different purpose. Most people use money to improve their lifestyle. A bigger house, better car, more vacations, maybe some nicer things. And there's nothing wrong with any of those things. The problem is that every dollar spent on lifestyle loses the ability to buy freedom. So I started looking at money differently. Instead of asking, what could I buy? I started asking, what could buy itself? That single question, it changed everything. The first asset I bought didn't look impressive. Nobody thought it was exciting. Nobody congratulated me. But that asset started producing income. Then I bought another, and then another. And over time, those assets began doing work that I used to do myself. Eventually, I reached a strange moment. My assets were working harder than I was. And that's when I realized retirement isn't an age, it's a math problem. And the solution turned out to be much simpler than I ever expected. So if you're trying to build real wealth, stop asking how much money you can make and start asking how many assets you can own. That question changed my entire life. So if you're trying to build freedom instead of just a bigger paycheck, subscribe. That's what this channel is about.